Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Engineering TechSton. Today is day 3 of our Python series and we are going to master a tiny but powerful library named Clipboard. Clipboard is a mini Python library that acts like your copy-paste assistant. If you are into automation, ethical hacking, or working on data entry projects, then this is for you. Let us understand its use with a daily life example. When an OTP receives on your phone, you might have noticed that you usually do not need to copy it manually. Your phone automatically detects the OTP and even pastes it, especially when you are filling an OTP field in an app. This smart feature, where there is no need to copy manually, works because of clipboard automation. Now, understand it practically on our laptop screen. First of all, we have to install Clipboard Library by pip method, because it is not built in Python. Pip install Clipboard Library installation starts. Library is completely installed. Now let us see a simple code. Import clipboard. Clipboard.copy is used to copy text, whatever is between its parentheses. Hello, world. This line will copy hello world in Clipboard. Clipboard.paste is used to paste text. Clipboard.paste will paste copied text, which will store in variable text. Print text. Now test it. Run. Look, hello world is printed because it was copy-pasted in the code. Clipboard.paste. Paste everything, text, number, link, no matter from where you copied it. Let us store it in a variable text and print it, such as I have written some text in a text file. Let us copy it by Ctrl+C, and now it is copied in my clipboard manually. We can also do it automatically by code. Let us test it. Run. And now you can see the text that was copied before is printed in output. This library has only these 2 functions. Now, it is up to you that in which project you are going to use it. Tell me in comments section. I hope you learned something from this video. In next video, we are going to discover an amazing library related to WhatsApp. If you knew it before, guess its name in comments section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.